What's going on, EasyAgentPro? It's Mike here, and in today's video I want to talk about the difference between lead generation and brand recognition and how you can kind of merge them together so that you can generate more leads and grow your business. Now, the main way that you're going to be able to do this is going to be more so through your social media platforms as well as your lead follow-up. So a lot of your Instagram, Facebooks, Twitters, as well as once these people come into your database, having them on a good drip campaign, as well as calls, texts, all of that follow-up information that is very pertinent. Not a lot of real estate agents are very good at. I know myself, it took me a while to get actually decent with it, but it's something that is going to help you actually get responses from people and actually grow your business. Now, a lot of people get brand recognition and lead generation all murky and mixed up, and they both serve their purposes. Lead generation, the only thing that matters, the only thing that you're trying to do with lead generation is get people to give you their contact information. You don't care whether they know you, you don't care whether they like you, you don't care if they enjoyed your content, you don't care about nothing other than getting their contact information. And there are plenty of ways that you can do this when it comes down to Facebook ads or Instagram ads or Google AdWords or whatever ways that you want to do it online. And of course there are different offline ways that you can do it, like open houses and cold calling and door knocking, all different types of ways that you can do lead generation. And when it comes down to online lead generation, of course, my favorite way to do it is when it comes down to IDX type of ad where just showing people houses. There have been plenty of leads that I've gotten inside of my database that not only have been buyers but sellers just because they've been looking at houses and my targeting. There's also using EasyAgentPro, you can do a lead lock function, which is what we mentioned in previous videos. We can list it above and in a description so you can check those out if you're interested. But in those type of situations, all you're doing is using a blog post or some sort of page that you have with EasyAgentPro and turning it into a lead generating squeeze page. So someone is going to have to give you their contact information, whether just your email or their name, phone, and email in order to see the information that you are presenting to them. So these are good specifically just to get people's contact information and to try to contact them in order to have them become a client of yours. Now, brand recognition comes in when it comes to other forms of marketing to people. So this is when you're going to want to use video, when you're going to want to be posting testimonials, when you're going to want to be putting out information in regards to the home buying process or to get more money for selling your house, or all these other sort of informational things that people are going to possibly share around and they're going to actually get something from. These are good so that down the line, maybe they'll, use these tips and use the information that you've given them in order to purchase or sell a house. So these all kind of work in conjunction together. I would say it is a good idea to be doing both sorts of brand recognition as well as lead generation so that you're not going to be missing out on any sort of leads that may fall through the cracks. And a good way to do this is by posting, one brand recognition post followed by one lead generation post, a brand recognition post and a lead generation post. And it doesn't have to be 1-to-1, it could be 2-to-1, 1-to-2, whatever works best for you in your market and inside of your business. Everybody is going to be different. I know what works for me in Florida may not work for somebody in New York or somebody in California. It's all going to be different based upon how you're doing it and your market itself. So what I would say is try different things. Try to figure out what works best for you when it comes to your brand recognition. Are you good on camera? Then maybe you want to do a good bit of video. Are you good at taking pictures? Maybe you want to take pictures of different things that are inside of the area that you want to farm in or the area that you want to work in, and get people to know you as the real estate agent in that area. Are you good at writing? Maybe you want to write up a bunch of blog posts about the area and interview a lot of the companies and businesses in the area and get them to give you information to use on your blog that you can put out to different sorts of people. There's going to be different types of brand recognition. You can use that to your advantage, and in conjunction with maybe using this information to drive people to your website and getting them to give you their contact information in some sort of lead generating page that you have set up, or a separate lead generation page that you have that is going to be targeted to people that already have been to your page in some sort of retargeting campaign, which we've gone over on this channel as well, and we're going to link that above and in the description if you want to check that out and learn how to do some sort of retargeting to people that already know how your brand works and operates. So if you like this video, leave it a like. If you got anything out of it, we would enjoy it. Help lets us know you enjoy these types of videos. If you have any questions, be sure to leave them down in the comment section. We'll be down there answering all the questions that you may have. If you're new, be sure to subscribe so you're not missing out on any new videos. My name is Mike. I'll see you in the next one.